Hello everyone. The topic for today is add integers. Right now I want you to pause the notes or pause the video so that you can copy down your notes and then resume when you're ready. The sum of two positive integers is always going to be positive. The sum of two negative integers is always going to be negative. The sum of a positive and negative integer is sometimes positive, sometimes negative, and sometimes even zero. Remember, the sum is the answer to an addition problem. A zero pair, that's when one positive circle is combined with one negative circle. So the result is zero. A zero pair visually is a shaded circle and an unshaded circle. Those two cancel each other out. There's nothing remaining. So that is an example of a zero pair. So let's take a look at this first example. -5 plus 3. So we've got our shaded circles that represents a negative number. An unshaded circle represents a positive number. So as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shaded circles to indicate the -5, and we've got 1, 2, 3 unshaded circles to indicate the +3. And we're also going to show those on a number line so that we have another way to look at how to solve the problem. Okay, so here we have this negative circle cancels out that negative circle, so that forms a zero pair. Here's another zero pair. Here's another zero pair. We are left with two circles left over. They're both shaded. There are two of them, so the answer is -2. To show this on a number line, let's erase these marks so that we have plenty of room on our number line. To show these on a number line, well, we're going to start off at 0. So let's say that 0 is there just for illustration purposes. We're going to go left because it's -5. We're going to go left to there. Well, we started off at 0. We went -5 to the left. Now we're adding 3, so we're going to go back to the right 3 spaces. Oh, I made a mistake there. So if 0 is here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we're going to go back 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. We wind up there. Well, on that number line, that is -2. That is the result. And like I said before, the solution to the problem is -2. A couple more examples. Remember, an unshaded circle represents a positive number. A shaded circle represents a negative number. So 20, +20 plus -14, well, that means that we're going to have 20 unshaded circles. And then 14 shaded circles. Okay, and since we have positive and negative circles, we can create our 0 pairs, cancel some things out, and our result will tell us the answer. So those 5 cancel out those 5, those 5 cancel out those 5, these 4 cancel out those 4, what we're left with is right here. Those never got canceled out by anything. There are 6 circles. They are unshaded. Therefore, our answer is positive 6. Okay, the next example, we've got negative 17. So we're going to have 17 shaded circles to represent negative 17. And then we're adding negative 8. So we're going to have 8 shaded circles because it's negative 8. And if you notice, we don't have any unshaded circles. So there are no 0 pairs. So there's nothing for us to cancel out. We have a total of 25 circles, and they are all negative, so our answer is negative 25. Now I want you to solve these 2 example problems. Bring those answers along with any questions that you may have to class with you tomorrow.